Alright, what's good YouTube? Coming to another video today. And today we're coming to show with another fragrance video. But in this video, we're coming to show my first fragrance unboxing. Now, I couldn't wait for this to come in the mail, bro. This is one of them old OGs, y'all feel me? Hey, let's get straight into it. So this actually was supposed to come like Tuesday, and it's currently Saturday. So I woke up to it. It's saying Joma Shop says it's out for delivery. What's this? I don't even drink coffee. If y'all want that, y'all can have it. I bought this extra protection thing. I'm guessing that's what this is. If this is what I paid for, this is crazy. I paid for extra protection. Oh, I think that's what this is. Okay. Okay, you pay for extra protection, they get you a little bubble wrap. But as y'all can see, I actually got the tester, so I don't have the actual canister. But Lamar Eau de Toilette 4.2. I feel as though this was the best cop because this was the best value for money. I got 4.2 for $50. I was like, that's better than what else they're gonna give me. Ooh, I already smell it. I already smell it. It comes with no cap too. Why they be so dusty? Y'all see that?
Hey, chill, twin. Chill, twin.
Let me go get a wipe right quick. But yeah, I can already smell it. But why is it so dusty though? Like they bitch just been collecting dust. Let's give it first spray. Yeah, it just has that original, just Jean Paul scent. Nothing too spectacular. First thing I smell is just vanilla sweetness. But it doesn't have that honey in there that Lamar Elixir has. Settle into the skin quite nice. I can tell this is a skin scent. This is not gonna project too well. It's straight, it's straight. This is settled into my skin already. But it smells really good. Vanilla and sweetness. A little bit of freshness in there. I can smell a little bit of greenness in there too. I roll with this. Yeah, it's exactly how I remembered it. The difference between this and the one you guys know I want, Lamar Elixir, is that it doesn't really, Lamar Elixir is like overloading the sweetness and it has that honey in there. This doesn't have that overloaded sweetness. It has a little bit more vanilla in there and it doesn't have that honey in there. But, you know what I'm saying? I'll take that. This is like the V6, you feel me? I ain't upgraded to the V8 yet. I ain't upgraded yet. But when I do, you feel me? We taking this one step at a time, you feel me? But hey man, this is like a sweet, versatile Dior Sauvage. This can be my dummy graph instead of just straight Dior Sauvage every time. I've been wanting a sweet fragrance and now I got one that's actually gonna last because look how like 4.2 million, you can't go wrong with that. You know, if you guys copy me fragrances over the holiday season, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video.